Next, I'm going to teach you how to do the foundation single crochet stitch. So make a slip knot and tighten it around your hook. Hold your yarn the way you normally do and make 2 chain. Now we're going to put the hook through that first loop that we had on when we made the slip knot, and we're going to go down through the bottom of that stitch. So you'll end up with 2 pieces of yarn above and 1 piece of yarn below. Yarn over and pull some yarn through and you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Next you'll yarn over and pull through only the bottom loop, like this, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. That's your first foundation single crochet. So next you put your hook through the front and the back of that first stitch. Make sure you have both legs there. They call them legs, don't know why. Then yarn over and pull through and you'll have 2 loops on your hook. You need to make sure that this bottom stitch is quite loose or your work will start to curve in a weird way. Yarn over and pull through just the bottom loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops. And that's your second. You can tell because you can see those teardrops at the top. And the really beautiful thing about this foundation crochet stitch is you'll be able to see the teardrops at the bottom as well. So I'll show you that as soon as we've done a few more. So go through the front and back of that last stitch, yarn over and pull through some yarn loosely, yarn over and pull through just the bottom loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. Again, go through the front and back bottoms of that stitch, yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through just the bottom loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. So now you can see 4 of the teardrops at the top, and there will be 4. This one's a little flat because we haven't crocheted into it yet, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little teardrops at the bottom as well. This is the single crochet foundation stitch, and it's a really neat way of doing your foundation single crochet without a chain stitch and single crochets crocheted into it. In my patterns, I use this quite regularly to make arms and legs and tongues for my little creatures. So yarn over, pull through the bottom there, yarn over, pull through only the bottom loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Next one, go through the front and back of the bottom of that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the bottom loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. In the next video, I'll teach you how to make the foundation half double crochet stitch.